Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one, that is about as to the power of number 7. This one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Because we don't have number 16, that is form number 2 with number 8. So we need to divide both sides by number 16. So this one we change for u. S to the power of 7 ds, that is about this one. Now we have the formula in here. So we put number 10 gone here. So we have 10 plus 1, we have 11. So we have u to the power of 11 over 11, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.